Welcome, Cancer, September 15 to 21. Knock, Cancer. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. Oops, sandali, baliktad po. Baliktad yung card. Yeah. Another weekend po, another weekend. Kwentuhan po tayo mga kapatid na OFW. Ano na naman tayo, maglalaba. So hopefully everybody is okay po. Maski na ano man ang nangyayari sa Pilipinas. Ano natin yan? Ipagdasal na lang. Ipagdasal natin, Cancer. September 15 to 21. Tignan natin ang energy ni Cancer. So last week, ano ba ang kaganapan dito sa lugar ko? Yeah. So in case you do not know, nandito po ako sa Indonesia. So, kung titignan mo yung history at politics ng Indonesia, halos pareho din ng Pilipinas. So, ito na naman sila naglabasan sila at of course, yung kanilang mga pinuno ay ganun din. So, ano sila, merong sentiments. You know, they're trying to express their sentiments the way they run the office. Parang sa Pilipinas yan eh. So ano pa ang gagawin natin? Focus sa trabaho. Yes, DPWH. Tignan natin yung circus na mangyayari. So Cancer, kwentuhan tayo, magkape-kape po tayo. September 15 to 21. There are things na beyond our control. Ano ang magagawa natin bilang mga mabubuting mamamayan? Tingnan natin. Anyway, concentrate tayo kay Cancer. Reading niya. September 15. Maraming energy lately na about movement, change, understanding kung ano yung gusto mo. Yung bang self-worth, I think affected yung sa mga, kaya yung sentiments na yan it's a vicious cycle na okay, nagtutulog-tulugan ka, so harap-harapan ka ng na negative energy and we are not doing anything. Madali pong sabihin yan pero hindi ganun kadali. Okay, tingnan natin. Cancer. Okay, this is what I'm telling you. Expansion moving. Kasi nga, yung status ko, hindi, it's not working for you anymore. For us, if I will apply this sa akin, you want to move. As simple as that. You want to venture out to something bigger. It's all about expansion. Yan ang dream nating mga OFW. And you nurture, pinagtrabahuhan mo yan. Alam mo yung disiplina of growing, how to grow your pentacle, yung fundamentals ng foundation mo. Yung fundamentals ng foundation natin is based on belief, belief structure, yung mechanism mo, who you are as a person. Yes, Cancer? Okay, I think this is related to relationship. So, yung foundation ng relasyon, yes, dalawa. It's either you're going to move in or you're going to move out. Ano tong energy na ito? Okay? Relationship, it doesn't mean na your spouse, your boyfriend, it can be work, it can be your relationship with your kapitbahay, and lahat ng merong emotional attachment ka, partnership. Sa business, may partnership. Sa partner mo, sa misis mo, sa asawa mo. And you are confused now having kung anong decisionan mo. Cancer, meron bang ganyan? Tignan natin kung ano yung affecting factors niyan. Meron kang nakitang hinihintay, it's within you. You want to explore. Yes? Explore. alam mo yung pundasyon na ginagawa mo to build that strong foundation. Negosyo, trabaho ka ng trabaho, sa relasyon, trabaho din yan. It's all about trabaho. You're working on that relationship. Pamilya, kapatid, anak, kapitbahay, sa committee mo, sa trabaho, sa kay-amo, etc. Meron kang decision na wala ka pang clarity hinihintay. Clarity na hinihintay. You see that weighing scale? Yeah. This indecision, not making a decision, you are looking for that balance. Ayaw mong makasakit, gusto mong maging patas ang decision mo. The lover, it's all about partnership, making a decision to keep it balanced, always balance. Gemini, meron ka bang kaibigan Gemini, Cancer? Yeah, tignan natin. Ano ba yung pinagkakaabalahan ngayon ni Cancer? Shoutout po ako sa mga OFW dyan. Kwentuhan lang po tayo, kape-kape. Alam ko yung sentiment niyan. Weekend, boring. Sometimes it can be boring and wala, tulog lang. Tulog. That's how to recharge yung ating remaining energy for the coming week. Okay, mukhang ayaw dito sa card na ito. Tingnan ko dito. Knock, Cancer. Okay? Speaking of weighing scale, ayan, nasa split siya, Justice. Justice, patas. Hindi necessarily na court. Kung mayroong mang court, that's another form of justice. Meron ka namang gusto, in full circle ka na. Kung ano man tong decision na gagawin mo, completion na ng isang mong aspeto ng sa buhay mo now. Okay? Give example is yung relasyon, boyfriend, girlfriend, doesn't work out. Yes. So, salamat po. Or you want to get married, you want to go to the new level of your relationship. Kasi, it's something na unavoidable. It have to happen. And part of your belief system. Dumating na yung judgment na inaabangan mo. Kasi, okay, you have the devil and you have the lover. Okay, this is toxicity. If you have the lover and the devil is the same. The one is falling in complete sync. Ito yung romance, balancing emotion from your head sa heart, sa soul, everything in sync. Compatibility. The other one is the opposite of that one. So, yung chain of, this is the two lovers actually on the devil's card. Okay? So, ito yung codependency. Ito yung ikaw na lang palagi. Ikaw ang nagdadala. Toxic environment na too much love sometimes can be toxicating, or too much control can be toxicating. Jealousy, addiction, kung mayroon man. Addiction, what? Maraming type of addiction. Okay? Shopaholic, gambling, alcohol, drugs. That's how it is. Even sa personal na relationship, about incompatibility sa pagdating sa private na relationship, what's happening inside the room, ganon, kasama po yan. Cancer. Yeah, tingnan natin. Wala pang bumabagsak na card. Ayun, okay, nakita ko lang yun sa okay. Yeah, ito na yung sagot mo. Matagal mo na yata niluluto, Cancer. Ito you want to try out? Meron bang nangyaring it's not something for you to stay? Hindi na worth it to. You want to Okay, sa maraming, okay, ibang-iba tayo ng timeline, ano. I will read it on a positive angle. So you want to move in together. Yeah? You want to move in together. Okay, you do the opposite on that one. Okay? You want to move in. Okay. Okay. So ito yung positivity. Okay. You kasi that will makes you fill your cup of happiness. Yeah. Again, the opposite. If it's not filling your cup, you want to move out. If you want to move in, yun ang decision na you feel that it will make you whole. Yeah? So, kung sa trabaho yan yung offer mo this is a dream offer. Yeah, correct? Meron bang ganyan, Cancer? Simple, kaya lang, I can't see this as a positive one, a positive energy, kasi nga you won't get in this stage of confusion. If that's a positive one, there must be something not so nice on this energy of relationship. Yeah, kumbaga sa trabaho yung amo mo toxic. So, you just want to move out of that as soon as possible. Kung puro harassment at puro abuse ang ginagawa, then get out of that. Kaya lang hindi ka makatakas, hindi ka makaalis dahil sa mahirap itong pong sitwasyon na to. Okay. I'll give an example. Wala kang choice kasi kailangan mo ng trabaho. Now, abuse, this is where abuse comes in because you are helpless. So, gagawin mo na lang yung dapat mong gawin, ignoring the other negativity. Kung ano may negativity, how it plays on your situation. Agree? Why? Because you need a job. Okay? Even that dream of getting away, you're scared of doing that. Understandable, okay? Kung yun po yung sitwasyon. Okay? Sandali, ibalik ako dito sa isang card. Meron kang pinaplanong gusto mong umakaalis na dyan and it requires you a lot of temper. Naghihintay ka lahat ng patience. Siguro yung timing. Nakadependent ka sa kanya. Meron bang isang tumutulong sa'yo? Or gusto mong you want that independence of yours? Yeah? Codependency minsan, let's say, somebody is earning more money sa relationship. Somebody is giving more that, yung opportunity. Masasandalan nga. And you've learned that it's not something that you like to do for a long term. Yes? Yung definition mo ng how to live is not something on that basis. Kasi yun ang structure ng paniniwala mo Yes? Meron ba ganyan, Cancer? So, merong effort kang ginagawa pero, or one of you, may effort na nangyayari pero hindi ganon kalaki. Or there's no effort at all. Yeah? Oops, sorry po. Dali, makati yung lalamunan ko. Yeah? Mukhang mabilis mo na itong gagawin. Kung ano man itong plano mong pag-alis na ito, kung may opportunity, anything is an opportunity to get away, opportunity to get a new job, or just to get away, to find that happiness na hinahanap mo, mabilis na darating. Tignan natin, Cancer, tignan natin. Saan patungo si Cancer? Okay? Kung trabaho ito, Darating na siya. You don't need to worry. Tingnan natin kung gaano kabilis ito at saan ka patungo. Okay? If you want to escape here, yun ang nakita ko eh. You want to build something, pero do you need help here? Are you looking for help? Cancer. Bigyan mo pa ako ng card. Okay, tingnan natin kung ano yung sitwasyon ni Cancer. Ayan. You want that balance. You want that nakita ko, I saw here the justice weighing scale. You're being treated unfairly. Kung ano yung gusto mong ibigay, hindi lang ito sa financially. I think this is both emotionally, mentally, physically. Ito yung, okay, I see more on the practical side. Emotionally, this is more physical. Okay? Sa physical aspect, ito yung reality ng buhay. Yung pagbabayad ng kuryente kung puro ikaw na lang ang nagbabayad ng kuryente. And you need that, you want to feel that help, support, yung practicality, and you're gonna find it. You're finding it. You want to find it, hindi mo makuha, o you are feeling it. Depende. Yan sa ano natin. Hinahanap mo ba yun? O ano yung kulang na yun? You want to get away from that, from something, so you can feel that sense of balance na kung wala kang panggastos and then it's no longer serving your purpose, that doesn't make you happy. It's all emotional, or baka nagiging emotional ka, Cancer. So sometimes Cancer, water sign, the same like Scorpio. Meron kaming commonality ni Cancer. You want that equality. Another is love. But in order for that love to flourish, you need also to balance the reality of life. Meron bang ganyan? As far as yung cups mo, yung puso mo, okay, masaya ka. I think masaya ka. Yan ang wish fulfillment mo eh. As far as emotional level is concerned, yes. Merong konting imbalance, yeah, maybe that's normal and you're looking for that balance between you and your spouse. Ngayon, are you going through a divorce? Okay. I am not going to entertain that. Yeah, because I see this one here. You're making indecision. You're having an indecision here, or ayaw mong tignan ayaw mong makita yung or be happy with what you have. A change of perspective and mindset. I think nagdadalawang isip ka doon eh. Meron ka nakita na, okay, sa frame of thoughts yan eh. Walang perfect na partnership or relationship. I think, sa nakikita ko rito, you try hard as well to look at the positive side. Yes? Okay? But there are point in time na mas malamang yung, sorry na hindi po ako nagtatawa, Cancer. Mas malamang yung the other one, yung weighing scale, hindi balance eh. I just noticed this one, yung elbow niya. You see, that weighing scale. Mas napifeel mo kapag yung hindi balance eh. Mas malamang yun. Yeah? Pero dito sa Cancer, nakikita ko mas malamang yung balance siya. Okay, it works both ways po. So, tingnan natin kasi you are celebrating and happy with your friends surrounding you. You're ready to venture out. I will read this as somebody happy. Ayokong ano yung sobra marami na tayong problema sa DPWH. Okay, itong cancer na ito ay masaya at magpapakasal because dahil sa he or she found the soulmate. Yes? Okay, cancer. Yeah. Dumating na yung news at yung proposal. Yeah? Okay? And you want to build a happy family. And that's the new venture that you want to move in. Yes? Very very straightforward. I don't want to read the other angle because nakita ko yung the devil card here. Okay? So that's something na kung itong new venture mo na to is moving to with your partner or new job kasi may fear tayo dyan eh. Fear of the unknown. Agree? It's a new level of our life. So, you are fear because ito na naman siya oh. Okay, may progression dito. So 2 and 3, you need to move forward dun sa venture na yun. Dumating na, your ship has sailed. Kumbaga sa inaabangan mo, yung inaabangan mong sulat para halimbawa sa job offer or proposal, on the way na siya. Nasa post office na siya or nasa aeroplano na siya para dumating para sa iyo. Yes? Or it just arrived and you're ready to venture out doon sa new adventure mo. Yung inspiration mo nandiyan eh. If your inspiration is telling you na this will make you grow your pentacle and your wealth meaning is wealth of knowledge, wealth of pera, wealth of anything, wealth na material things. That partnership will help you expand. Meron kang hesitation and fear kasi nga it's unknown to you. Sa bagong trabaho, bagong proyekto, pupunta ka sa ibang bansa, ang kailangan mo lang is that determination. Bago yun, the same also sa mga OFW na nag-apply, ang daming pinagdaanan, pero nung nakatanggap na ng offer and everything, that's the fear. I had the same experience. For me, it's a new beginning. I just want to venture out without any kaalaman. Ano ba ang kakaharapan ko doon? And I think it's normal for you to become indecisive or have that fear. Hinahanap mo lang ngayon yung balance na gusto mong maramdaman na your decision is correct. Tama ba? Meron ba ganyang cancer? I will read it that Yeah, okay. Use your intuition. Malakas yung intuition mo, Cancer. Okay? Malakas yung intuition mo, Cancer. Kuha pa ako ng isa. Tignan natin kung ano yung validation na hinahanap mo. You're looking for that validation. Kaya ako nakita yung justice kanina siguro. Justice and what's the other card? Yung resurrection thing. Okay? I saw that sa split. Kaya nagkakaroon ng hesitation. I think this is a big one. This is a big one, Cancer. Hindi ka ang ganda yung spread mo eh, oh. Ang ganda ng spread mo. Ikaw yata yung pinakamagandang spread this reading ko. The rest all heavy. Merong iba na not so heavy in a sense na hindi madali yung buong istorya kasi maraming maapektuhan. But this one, ikaw lang ang magdadala nito. Ikaw ang magdadala. Yeah, okay. You have the offer. Kung sa relationship to, nag-propose na ito. Okay? I see an age gap. Maaring foreigner or something. Yeah. Oh, this is a good one. September 15 to 21. Kung nag-resonate ito as simple as you want to get married. Kung sa trabaho, the offer comes in. Okay? I don't see hesitation, slight hesitation, pero dumating na yung sulat na hinahanap mo at ready ka ng tumalon doon sa pupuntahan mo na yon. It's a new thing. There's nothing, it's normal to be scared. And you're looking for that balance. I think mahahanap mo siya, Cancer. It's within you. Walang ako ng oracle card ng moon. Ano pa yung message kay Cancer? Tignan natin. This is a sana all moment. I think madami. Kung nandiyan ka sa abroad, meron ko nakilalang some special. Nakita mo na yung love mo. Again, depende po yan kasi baka mamaya you've gone through a divorce or something, or hindi pa nasa-settle yung divorce paper and then you have a new one. Again, itong sitwasyon na to there was a little crossroad, pero I don't see any challenge. Siguro unless hindi pa settle yung past relationship or something. And ito na sabi nung moon card the new beginning or even a new life may be blooming. Wala nang hocus pocus yan, Cancer, yung sinabi na ng moon totem. Yeah. And ito yung new life. I think you're going to that direction. Yeah. Very interesting. So shout out, Cancer, kung ito, ikwento mo sa amin para we'll be wishing you the best. Yeah. Okay, shout out to OFW po, September 15 to 21, Cancer. So have a great weekend. Salamat po. See you again.